Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. As you can see, today we are at the Kandy railway station. You all are welcome to the scenic train journey from Kandy to Ella. It's a 67-kilometer ride through Sri Lanka's breathtaking Central Highlands. So, get ready to witness the most stunning landscapes, rolling hills and picturesque villages as we embark on this unforgettable adventure. And this is our travel partner, the Podi Menike train. The Podi Menike train is a popular express train in Sri Lanka that runs daily between Colombo Fort and Badulla, covering a distance of approximately 290 kilometers. This 10-hour journey passes through breathtaking landscapes including the lush green tea plantations, mountains and valleys, making it one of the most scenic train rides in the country. As we leave Kandy, the cultural capital of Sri Lanka, the scenery transforms into lush green hills and tea plantations. The train chugs along the tracks, offering a glimpse into the rural life of Sri Lanka's highlands. Watch as the buildings and temples of Kandy fade into the distance, giving way to the majestic mountains. Passing the tunnel, we are going to see a breathtaking view. Wait for it. And here it is. The beautiful Horsetail waterfall. Now we are in Waterfalls. Waterfalls is considered one of the most important locations for tea plantation. With the climate and soil ideal for growing high quality tea. We are now passing through the heart of Sri Lanka's tea country. The rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, with rows of tea bushes neatly planted on the slopes. And also you can see the tea workers plucking the delicate leaves, their labor contributing to the rich aroma and flavor of Ceylon tea. Take in the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Passing Rosella, now we are reaching to Hatton railway station. Hatton is most famous for being a major centre of Sri Lanka's tea industry, earning it the nickname Tea Capital of the country. It is also a gateway to the sacred Adam's Peak or Sri Pada, a significant pilgrimage site, and it is surrounded by other natural attractions and waterfalls also. As we climb higher, the scenery becomes even more breathtaking. Watch for the picturesque waterfalls cascading down the mountainsides, their misty veils rising into the air. Now we are in Thalawakale. And now we can see the Upper Kothmale Dam, which is located in Thalawakale. And this dam feeds the third largest hydroelectric power station in the country. This is the beautiful Devon Falls, which is known as the Veil of the Valley. It is 97 meters high and is situated in Thalawakale. And of course, this is St. Clair waterfall. It is another beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. As we are passing through, take a deep breath and enjoy the cool mountain air. It will heal not only your body but also your mind. This is Great Western, which is famous for its high altitude tea estate and the Great Western Mountain, the seventh highest peak in the country. And it is popular for challenging hikes. Passing all these beautiful sceneries, now we are in Nanoi railway station. If you are going to Nuwara town, you have to get off from here. See how the weather changes. As we are traveling, the misty weather is rolling in, casting a mystical spell over the landscape. The mountains are shrouded in veil of mist, adding an air of mystery to the scenery. As the train chugs along, the mist swirls around us, creating an ethereal atmosphere. You can watch the waterfalls emerge from the mist, their roar growing louder as we approach. The misty weather adds a touch of drama to our journey, making every moment feel like a discovery. This is Ambevela, which is famous for its scenic dairy farms, often called the Little New Zealand of Sri Lanka. Its fresh dairy products and its picturesque highlands, which are home to Sri Lanka's highest and widest grasslands. It is also a key location on the route to Hatton Plains National Park, making it a popular stop for its natural beauty and for families to visit the farms. Now we are reaching to Sri Lanka's highest railway station, Pattipola. It is situated at an altitude of approximately 1,897.5 meters above sea level. And this is the summit level of the Sri Lankan Railway. And now we are entering the most thrilling part of our journey. The train chugs through tunnels and crosses bridges, offering heart-stopping views of the valley below. The sound of the train echoing through the tunnels adds to the excitement. Just hold on to your seats and enjoy the ride. This is Idalgasinna, which is one of the most beautiful railway stations of the country. After a scenic ride of over few hours, we have finally arrived in Alla. This charming town is surrounded by hills and waterfalls, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility. Take a moment to appreciate the stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Alla is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. As we conclude our scenic journey from Kandy to Alla on Podi Menike train, we hope you have enjoyed the breathtaking views and the thrill of the ride. The train journey is a testament to the natural beauty of Sri Lanka, and we are grateful to have shared it with you. Thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.